Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. So I'm going to do a very quick recap for our Friday. I know that you guys probably have a very exciting day and very exciting weekend. So I just wanted to wish you guys a happy and safe weekend and wanted to recap on one of my trades that I took today. So this is definitely the most successful trade that I had today thus far. As of today, right? So TNDM was showing signs of an ascending uptrend pattern. I traded it during the Learn Plan Profit morning live stream. It had a very aggressive sell-off, and I was pretty much trading it the entire time. I was scalping it as it was showing signs of an uptrend. As it approached and hit higher highs of $37, it became a little bit more on the overextended side. I was able to lock in. It was a little bit over 600, almost like $700. But as of right now, I'm down to $665.23. Aftermarket or extended hours, however it is that you want to call it, closes at in about 2 hours, so about 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if worst comes to worst, and I'm not like, some of my shares have been selling, but they're buying at increments of like five shares or 12 shares or 100 shares. So it's going to take some time, as my total share size was 500 shares. But one thing that I think I did very well today was I was extremely selective and patient when it came down to my overall entry points. I made sure that whatever it is that I invested in was showing signs of an ascending uptrend pattern. And I really wanted to make sure that that was just the case. Yesterday, I had a very successful day when it came down to trading. You guys can check out that video as well. And this entire week has just been very smooth sailing. If you're part of Learn Plan Profit, you saw my trades today. I was able to lock in the live stream a little bit over $500, and it just played out very well. Why? I wasn't forcing any trades. All I was doing was I was doing dip buys on stocks that were showing signs of an ascending uptrend pattern, and that was really just it. I gave those that are part of TechBud Solutions and Learn Plan Profit access for 24 hours to the Learn Plan Profit live stream that I had yesterday, just so you guys can get a taste of what the LPP group gets to experience every single day. We had a lot of questions when it came down to like, what is it to watch, or how is it to watch me trade live, and if it's something that would be a benefit to you. There's so many. One of the things that I wanted to cover, two things, right? So first of all, it's Friday. I know you guys are very excited for the weekend, and I didn't want to just ignore that, right? So let's focus on that. Hope you guys have a fun and safe weekend. But two things that I wanted to cover was that I wanted to make sure that we understand that we're all wired in different ways. So there's some people that find my style of trading easy to understand, right? That find it successful, and there's some people that are much more aggressive. So for all those, we're the largest YouTube channel for those who invest in the stock market. TechBud Solutions, which is our private free group, is the largest private trading community out there. We have a little bit over 160,000 members, and the reason that I think that we do so well is because we motivate our individuals not just to trade like me. I know that I have a specific style of investing that isn't going to work for everyone, but the thing, and I think the practices that we implement to our newer traders is something that can really lead to your success. So regardless if you're an aggressive trader, regardless if you're someone that's a little bit more conservative like me, I really like focusing on more consistent growth. I'm very aggressive when it comes down to locking in profits. I tend to lock in profits too early. If you've ever had the ability to watch me trade live, it's something that we joke about almost every single time, but it's something that instills like consistency, and I think that's something that not enough people talk about. It's something that we've been talking about a lot this past week, and I just went or asked a couple people that were part or are part of the Learn Plan Profit group, and I was asking them like, what is it that they would like to see more of? And correct me if I'm wrong, but a lot of them wanted to see more swing trading. I've been doing a lot of day trading within the live streams and not enough swing trading. I wanted to say two things about that. I 100% want to swing trade, right? I want to swing trade where, that's my niche. That's what I'm kind of known for. But the market has been so aggressive and inconsistent that I haven't felt very comfortable. So I just want you guys to understand that. And then the second thing is, my style of day trading is very conservative. I tend to lock in profits right away. Anytime that I lock in 1 to 2% profit within the day, I lock it in and then wait for the pullback. And if I see that it's a good deal or good dip buy opportunity, then it 100% makes sense. I just wanted to plant that and present that seed. There's what is it called? So many people that try to talk about specific stocks that you should trade, talk about specific just patterns in which you should follow. I try to focus more on best practices. And the reason that I'm saying this is why do you guys even find that important? Well, I want you guys to know that I know that we're all wired in different ways, and I'm not trying to sell you in joining our free group nor our private group. If you don't see my investing style in the stock market and buying and reselling cars and how I invest in real estate attractive, or it doesn't resonate well with you, then it doesn't make sense on why you should follow me, right? But one thing that I do want to let you know is that we do have certain best practices in making sure that you don't trade based on other people's opinion. When you start off, because you're so unaware of what the market has to offer, to start paper trading so there's no monetary risk involved. And all these set precautions that we set into place when you're first getting started to make sure that your overall trading experience is the best. And I hope that you guys see value in that. I got a couple messages within Instagram of this individual that has a YouTube channel, and it's someone that I never ever talk about, someone that I almost completely forgot about, but it's someone that was part of TechBud Solutions before, and that talked bad about us based on who found what what group more successful. And the biggest thing is obviously we're going to be a huge target. We're the largest YouTube channel for those who invest in the stock market, and we're the largest private trading community, obviously, right? And one thing that I want you guys to know is if you find someone else's trading style more attractive, all power to you. If it works better for you, then you should follow them. I have a specific style that works very well with certain people, and that's all I've been able to preach. I never encourage people to take positions. I never tell people where to buy, where to sell. I don't sell signals, and it's very laid back within our group because I work with you to try to actually understand what you're doing. And if you don't understand, then that's what I work with you on. And yes, it does take a lot more work, and yes, it does take a lot more effort on both parties. But at the end of the day, we're not, again, if I'm not here a year from now, you can still and at least understand what it is that you're doing. And I think that's what's most important. Again, just ask yourself, are you here to try to make it or break it, right? Do you want to approach this in a very aggressive way? And that might be you, right? Or do you want to actually do this maybe for a very long period of time and consistently grow your account and understand what you're doing? Because that's the approach that I'm trying to take. And if you find that attractive, I offer my free group, right? TechBud Solutions, the largest private trading community in the world. Third link in the description, right? You don't have to join if you don't see value in the way that we do things, right? But also, I do offer my private trading community that you get to watch me trade live every day. And then on top of that, you get access to the video lesson library. And every single day, we are improving in the way that we do things because we receive feedback and we improve the overall just experience that our traders, kind of present themselves in. And I think that's what's most important. I'm not here to say that I'm better than anyone else. I'm not here to subjugate anybody else. That's never something that, the reason that we do so well within our group and the reason that we're so big is because we're not here. We don't care about what other people are doing. We're here to empower our traders regardless if you see value in us or not. We're here to motivate you to invest in any market, regardless if it's the stock market, buying and reselling cars, or real estate. And I need you guys to know that. So yeah, that's really just it. So I just wanted to recap on my trades again and what led to my success with my specific day trade on TNDM, and I'll keep you guys up to date on when I have to either cut losses on my open position right now, so I'll probably still stay above $600 profit, and that's why I posted that thumbnail, or if it ends up going up and my full position ends up getting filled, then I'll let you guys know both if you follow me on Instagram and on the TechBud Solutions and Learn Plan Profit Discord. So that's really just it. I wish you guys and hope that you guys all have an amazing weekend. All I ask you guys to do is moving on forward, anytime that you're presented something, just ask yourself, what's the most realistic? What's the approach that resonates the best with you? What makes the most sense? And whatever you see the most value in, then you should follow your heart, right? You should follow your gut in whatever it is that intellectually makes the most sense to you. So I want to thank you guys again for absolutely everything it is that you guys do. So you have a couple funny comments. So can you analyze a stock for me? So not right now. I really do have to get lunch. It's about 2:18 and I'm super hungry. So I'm going to go grab some Chipotle. I might be buying a new car today to resell. As you guys know, that's something that we actively do. Caleb yesterday bought a total of 3 cars. So he's one of the mentors within Flipping Wheels. And we're just super excited. I think we might have an offer for the Maserati Ghibli, and I'm gonna go take the McLaren right now out for a spin. I need to get out of the house. I've been in the house all day. So I just wanted to wish you guys an absolute amazing day. Hope you guys have a blessed weekend. It's actually my mom's birthday tomorrow, so Happy birthday, Mom. I don't think she watches any of my videos. But yeah, just wanted to thank you guys again for your time. Continue working hard. Continue following your dreams. Let your passion be what drives your success. And if we earned your thumbs up, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you guys want to subscribe, great. And again, all the links are down below to stay connected. Wish you guys an amazing Friday. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.